What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Polygon Matic. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this somewhere at this point, and I made it right after we hit, basically we broke the previous all-time high at the price point of $2.7. Let me switch to daily time frame. And let me show you this. As you can see, this previous all-time high was broken with our price action, and for now we have a second attempt to break it even higher, and this means we have to keep an eye on this price action. And let's switch again to hourly time frame, and let me show you more thoroughly that right now we didn't hit the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, the first range where I suggested you to enter the position if we wanted to make some profits to the upside with this token. Instead of this, we have only touched to 0.236 level, and we broke it and stopped exactly in the middle in between these two ranges. So I think it is quite unusual to have this price action and to have this pivot point exactly in the middle, and I will show you in my technical analysis what should we expect next. But for now, let's continue with the total sentiment for entire crypto market. And for now, we are sitting at the total market cap of $2.37 trillion. It is a 0.11% decrease over the last day. And major cryptocurrencies, I have to say that they are pretty much moving sideways. Bitcoin lost about 1%, Ethereum gained about 0.7%, Binance exactly at the same spot for the last 24 hours. And on a 7 days period, they have decent profits, about 8.3% for Bitcoin, 4.6% for Ethereum, and 2.6% for Binance. So I think we still have decent chances to have a next bull run in upcoming months, and potentially from this point we might see this movement to the upside. But let's continue with the Polygon numbers. For now, it has a total market cap of $19.1 billion. It's up for about 7.32%. And the total tradable volume during last 24 hours is $1.64 billion. It's down for almost 20%. So I have to say that we don't have the most recent data on this chart, and we have, let me show it to you, that we have extremely low volume with this movement to the upside. This means it doesn't have enough power to break this resistance, but we have very good fundamentals behind this movement. So first of all, let me show you this. I covered it in my previous video, but let me show you some details. Ethereum competitor Polygon Matic signs deal with web browser in push to onboard millions of new users. And this article was published on December 24th. And let me quote you this. In a new blog post, Polygon details how it will be working together with Opera software to bring decentralized applications over to the Opera web browser. Polygon is coming to the Opera browser in a partnership that can potentially onboard millions of users into Polygon's ecosystem of decentralized apps. Opera will integrate the Polygon blockchain in their Web3 ready browser and its built-in crypto wallet on Android in the first quarter of 2022. The integration will enable Opera's users in browser access to over 3,000 dApps on the Polygon network. Some marquee dApps coming to the Opera browser include automated market maker SushiSwap, stablecoin-focused decentralized exchange Curve, and borrowing and lending protocol AAVE, as well as popular land-based blockchain games The Sandbox and Decentraland, and non-fungible token marketplaces such as OpenSea. So, as you can see, these dApps are the most famous among the entire list of dApps, And as you can see, it has over 3000 dApps on its network, and this means potentially it will benefit both sides. Opera will have much more users because they will facilitate the experience with these dApps from their web browser, and web browser users who didn't know about the dApps will have a much easier access to this network. And that's why this news might be a good catalyst for the upcoming year, I have to say. And let's continue with this one. On December 24th, we have this article on U.Today, and it says NBA champion Stephen Curry releases NFTs on Polygon. And let me quote you this. On December 14th, triple NBA champion and double MVP Stephen Curry scored his 2,974th three-pointer, smashing the eternal record by Hall of Famer Ray Allen. In 2021, this moment has no chance to avoid being immortalized through digital collectibles. And here is the first one. Stephen Curry dropped his metaverse wearable on Matic Polygon, and it is his sneakers he wore during the record-breaking game. And on top of that, let me show you that while the majority of celebrities are jumping on NFT mania bent down in late 2021, Stephen Curry is not the new to this segment. In 2018, he endorsed the first ever celebrity-backed CryptoKitty. And I have to say that he has a huge number of fans, and these fans have a lot of buying power. This means, let me show you that while initial prices on purpose-made landing pages started from $333, right now Mr. Curry's NFTs are trading on OpenSea with huge premiums. And NFT enthusiasts can purchase the most expensive item from the collection for $91,000 at press time. So, huge buying power. And this also leads to a new potential attention from the NBA fans to this industry. And this might lead to much higher volume, and much higher volume will lead eventually to much higher prices. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I have to say that it is quite tricky to make a Elliott wave breakdown on this wave, because we can clearly see two waves right here, and potentially we have another wave somewhere here, but it is very tricky to make a breakdown on the fifth wave, on this wave, but eventually I think we might have it like right here. And let me change the scale. So we have, this is our first wave, potentially this is our second, this is our third, and I have to say that if it is the third wave, then I use this tool, the Fibonacci retracement tool, wrong, and in this case we have to pull it from this point. And in this case we broke the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, but still we have this wick exactly in the middle, in between 0.382 and 0.5 ranges. This means we still in the middle of nowhere with this price action. But what should we expect next? First of all, we have to take a look on the volume, and the volume on this, the most recent movement to the upside, is not so big compared to previous one. This means we don't have much steam, we don't have much power to break this resistance, and we have two possibilities. First of all, if this news will positively affect the market and positively affect the Polygon price action, we will definitely break the $2.7 range, and potentially we might have the retrace from the top, and with the good volume we might go even higher. In this case, our targets are still in play, and let me show you. So, first major target is right here at $3.34, and let me make it a little bit closer, $3.34, and the most aggressive target is $5. It is a 1.618 extension level. So if we will break the 2.7 range resistance and retest it from the top, and then we will go higher 3.34 and $5 are our major targets. But if we'll bounce from this range to the downside, and let me again zoom in a little bit. If we will bounce back to the downside, this will lead to lower price action, and this will pretty much confirm that this movement, this V-shaped correction, is nothing else but the A wave, B wave, and we have to have one more leg to the downside to land our C wave. And in this case right here we might have another re-entry point, and I will do another update on upcoming sessions. And then I will project some new price targets and price action for this asset. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. Just be cautious. We have to break or bounce back from this resistance. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!